Samsung Galaxy S8 Android Oreo update has begun rolling out again. Samsung may have huge weekend ahead with the imminent launch of the Galaxy S9, but users of the firm's older Galaxy S8 are also set for big news as Android Oreo resumes its rollout. Samsung had been forced to stop its upgrade program after a bug was discovered that could cause some devices to shut down. In a statement, the Korean technology company revealed, following a limited number of cases where Galaxy S8 and S8 devices have rebooted unexpectedly with the Android 8.0 Oreo update, we have temporarily stopped the rollout of the update. We are investigating the issue internally to ensure that the impact to the affected devices is minimized and the rollout of the update can resume as quickly as possible. If you are experiencing any issues with your device, please contact our customer service team. Friday, September 22, 2017, Samsung Galaxy S9 will be unveiled at the MWC trade show. However, it now seems these troubles are behind them, with users confirming they are once again receiving the Oreo upgrade. According to Samobile, S8 owners in Germany are the first to see the Oreo upgrade appear on the devices, with other countries expected to follow soon. Express.co.uk was recently told by an industry source that UK networks had received the Oreo update and were beginning testing of the latest software. This should mean anyone on contract through a mobile operator should gain access to Android 8.0 within the next few weeks. If you own an unlocked device, it's still unclear when Samsung will push out the UK update, but it should be soon. The Android Oreo update includes a range of new features, including a redesigned settings menu, and a new edge lighting feature, which adds a colored glow when notifications hit your handset. Samsung has also greatly improved its native keyboard, with built-in GIF support, Emoji 5.0, and an easily accessible clipboard within the keyboard itself. Android Oreo also brings support for long press shortcuts for apps on the home screen on the Galaxy S8. Galaxy S8. This nifty shortcut allows up to 5 contextual shortcuts within each app and can be accessed by long pressing on the icon on your home screen. The Android Oreo upgrade also includes a handful of new layouts for Samsung's always-on display feature, allowing users to differentiate the look with a slew of new color customization options.